Get ready to dive into the world of Turkish dramas. Because today, we are counting down the top 15 new Turkish series of 2024 that you won't want to miss. Let's kick things off with the series number 1. Kara Dutt. This series follows Zuhal Erdem, a successful personal development expert, leads a double life. At work, she's the confident consultant on love, but at home, she's bound by her strict father Chethi's rules. After losing her mother at 17, she dedicated herself to raising her 3 sisters, Faijan, Asli, and Begum, while living a life dictated by her father's obsessive control. Her vow to keep her mother's memory alive traps her in chronic loneliness, especially as Asli prepares for her wedding. When fate brings Stefan into her life, Zuhal feels an undeniable connection but struggles against her feelings and loyalty to her father. Stefan, intrigued by her resistance, seeks to understand her deeper struggles. As their relationship develops, an unexpected tragedy forces Zuhal to confront the truth behind her vow. Ultimately, she must choose between her family's expectations and her own happiness, setting her on a transformative journey of love and self-discovery. Number 2. Gujla Ashklar Diyari. In the enchanting backdrop of Cappadocia, Arhan Alja, heir to a wealthy family, falls for Deniz Dervishoglu, a spirited doctor from Izmir. Their love story takes a twist when Arhan brings Deniz home to meet his family, where hidden secrets begin to unravel. Just as Deniz imagines a future with Arhan, she discovers that he is already engaged due to a promise made between their families, a commitment he never wanted. Devastated, she plans to leave, but Arhan stops her, declaring his love and intent to marry her. Their joy is short-lived, as a wedding night shrouded in tragedy strikes when Arhan's brother Jamil is shot. Now, amid family turmoil and danger, Arhan and Deniz must confront the truth, find the culprit, and navigate the challenges that threaten to tear them apart. Their love, once a beacon of hope, is tested like never before. This series captivates its viewers with its emotional depth and stunning performances, particularly highlighting the poignant relationship between Rosa and Jamil. However, some viewers like myself found the plot of this series very predictable, but I wish for a stronger focus on character development in the upcoming episodes. Number 3. Deha. Deha is one of the highest trending series right now, which follows Devaran, a mathematical prodigy, who has made a groundbreaking discovery in his doctoral thesis and received a scholarship to study in the United States. He dreams of going there with his childhood love, Esme. However, the only person he wants to impress is his estranged father, Iskender, who abandoned their family years ago. Determined to protect his family from Iskender's influence, Devaran tries to keep his younger brother, Boran, away from their father. Despite his efforts, Boran becomes entangled in Iskender's world, drawn in by promises and allure. As Boran gets closer to Iskender, Devaran's plans for a bright future begin to unravel. He must confront the painful legacy of his father's abandonment while navigating his ambitions and family ties. Ultimately, Devaran's journey challenges him to choose between familial loyalty and his own dreams. Number 4. Leela, Hayat Aşk Adalet. The series begins with Leela, who was very young when her father, Hilmi, marries Nur, a beautiful woman who had cared for Leela's late mother. Hilmi is blind to the torment that Nur inflicts on Leela, turning their home into a living nightmare. The situation worsens until Hilmi realizes too late that Nur is far from the loving stepmother she pretended to be, and he pays the ultimate price with his life. Left homeless and devastated, and now Leela vows to take revenge on Nur for destroying her family. Years later, Leela returns disguised as Ella, a skilled chef hired by Nur, who now lives luxuriously with her new partner, former football star Tufo. Complications arise when Leela's childhood protector, Gino, reappears in her life as Jeevan, Noor's adopted son. As Leela's quest for revenge intersects with her rekindled feelings for Jeevan, deep-seated family secrets begin to surface. The story unfolds as Leela confronts her past, battling both her desire for vengeance and the unexpected emotions that arise. Number 5. Kotukin, Dark Legacy. Kotukin follows Kartal, a former police officer turned nightclub security manager, becomes entangled with a dangerous mafia group. After years apart, he moves closer to his children to reconnect and escape the mafia's deadly threats. As he navigates the perils of his past life and tries to establish a relationship with his kids, he crosses paths with Najan, the mafia leader's daughter, who is anxiously awaiting her fiancé's release from prison. Their lives intertwine amidst a backdrop of betrayal and violence, and they find themselves drawn to each other. Together, they must survive the treacherous world of organized crime while grappling with their growing feelings. Kartal fights to protect his family and carve out a future, despite the constant danger that looms over them. Their relationship offers a rare glimmer of hope as they stand side by side, defying the odds stacked against them. Kotukin has garnered widespread acclaim from viewers who praise its captivating storyline and stellar performances. I hope that this series will continue its strong run and avoid early cancellation. Number 6. Ayajin Sonu Gunesh. The series follows Gunesh, a recent university graduate poised to chase her dreams abroad, whose life takes a dramatic turn when her brother is falsely imprisoned. Desperate to clear his name, Gunesh encounters Ayaz, the heir to a prestigious conglomerate. As Gunesh navigates a perilous path to secure her brother's freedom, she and Ayaz develop a deep, transformative love. Ayaz, once emotionally cold, finds his heart thawed by Gunesh's presence. Their journey is fraught with secrets, intrigues, and challenges as their love becomes both a source of strength and a complex entanglement. The series delves into themes of redemption, sacrifice, and the power of love amidst adversity. Even though this series starts with an engaging premise, but struggles with pacing and depth as the series progresses. While the initial episodes show promise, the plot becomes overloaded with melodrama and unconvincing character developments. The slow storytelling and frequent plot twists may leave viewers frustrated, though some performances, like Ayaz, stand out amidst the chaos. Overall, the show's potential is undermined by its inconsistent execution and excessive drama. Number 7. Yalan, The Lie. Yalan follows Meeliki, who spent 20 years in prison, sacrificing her freedom for her daughter. Released early, she discovers that her life outside is built on a lie. Her sister Hulya and brother-in-law Cengiz sold her daughter Hajal for money, giving her to the wealthy Aksoy family. Meelek's daughter, now named Duru, was raised as the Aksoy's own child. As Meeleki uncovers these truths, tension erupts within the family. Hulya and Cengiz introduce another girl, Hajal, as Meeleki's daughter to keep the deception alive. Caught in this web of lies, Meeleki must navigate her way through betrayal and deceit to reunite with her real daughter and reclaim her life. Before we move on to the next series, if you love discovering new and exciting Turkish series, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Stay tuned for the best in entertainment. Number 8. Bir Gece Masali, The Nightfall. Bir Gece Masali unfolds the intense and forbidden love story between Mahir, a police commissioner, and Janfaja, a beautiful Yoruk girl. Mahir's father, Commissioner Mehmet, was murdered years ago by Janfaja's father, Kurshad Kilimji, a wealthy businessman with a hidden criminal record. This tragic event has cast a long shadow over Mahir's life. As fate intertwines their paths, Turkish intelligence seeks to capture Kürşat for his illegal activities. Despite Kürşat's plan to marry Canfeza off to a criminal, Mahir is determined to be with her. The series explores whether Mahir be able to marry Canfeza, unknowingly that her father was the one who killed Mahir's father. Set against the enchanting landscapes of Pamukkale and the opulent mansion in Istanbul, Bir Gece Masali promises a gripping tale of love and redemption. With a beautiful cinematography and wonderful cast, this series is a must-watch. Number 9. Zmanin Kaplyari, Gates of Time. Zmanin Kaplyari or Gates of Time tells the story of Sinan, a shy and talented programmer who likes to be alone. His quiet life changes when he meets Nevra, the lively daughter of a powerful businessman. Together, they discover hidden secrets about Nevra's past and explore Istanbul's history. As they learn more, their friendship grows stronger. They find out they are connected to old murders and must change their lives to find the truth. Each mystery they solve brings them closer and makes them face their deepest fears. The series is a thrilling journey of love, truth, and finding oneself, showing how the past can shape the present. Number 10. Mehmed Fethiler. Mehmed Fethiler chronicles the life of Fatih Sultan Mehmed, one of the most pivotal figures in Ottoman history. Upon ascending the throne, Mehmed dreams of conquering Istanbul but must first navigate a maze of enemies both inside and outside the palace. His journey is paralleled with the life of Ayub al-Ansari, a revered figure in the Islamic world. As Mehmed strategizes and battles to realize his ambitions, the series also illuminates the significant stages of Ayub's life, weaving their stories together. Through this dual narrative, the drama explores the profound impact of Mehmed's reign and Ayub's contributions, providing a rich, historical tapestry of bravery, faith, and perseverance. This intricate portrayal highlights the cultural and historical significance of their intertwined destinies. Number 11. Yan Order. In Yan Order, TV presenter Sevgi and wealthy businessman Fikret get married, shocking their families. Despite past unhappy marriages, they seek happiness together. However, merging their drastically different families under one roof proves challenging. Conflicts arise as they navigate this new dynamic, especially affecting their children, Talin and Shelale. As tensions escalate, unforeseen complications threaten their newfound union. With each episode promising drama and revelation, Yandaki Order delves into the complexities of family, love, and second chances. Starring Sehwal Sam and Jaina Jindoruk, this series captivates viewers with its star-studded cast and compelling storyline. Number 12. Gaddar. Gaddar's story revolves around Daghan, a soldier who returns to his home from the east, and he gets shocked to find his hometown transformed into chaos after 2 years of absence. His family is shattered, with his sister eloping, his brother involved in illegal activities, and his parents estranged. The love of his life, Aidan, is missing, and he learns about her infidelity, shattering his dreams of reconciliation. Offered a job by a mysterious manager, Daghan initially refuses, but is forced into a life of crime when his best friend Samet dies, leaving him with a debt to the director. Faced with the imminent danger to Samet's family, Daghan reluctantly becomes a hitman, plunging deeper into a brutal world where he must balance his own morality with the need to protect his loved ones. As the series unfolds, Daghan's journey becomes a tense exploration of love, loss, and the sacrifices made in the face of escalating danger. According to me, Gaddar is a great series to watch, which marks a compelling return for Çağatay Ulusoy, showcasing his versatile acting skills in a well-crafted storyline. The series successfully blends suspense, drama, and action, drawing its viewers in with its intense narrative and leaving them eager for more. Number 13. Gelin. Gelin is a story about Cihan Develioglu, who really wants to continue his family line. His mom Muqaddar pressures him to leave his wife Beza, promising he can marry her again if they have a son. At the same time, Hancha, who is very poor, agrees to marry Jihan because her brother is very sick and she needs money. Both Jihan and Hancha are stuck in Muqaddar's plan to have a grandson, which messes up their hopes for love and happiness. As they deal with this tricky situation, unexpected things might happen, and their real feelings could change everything, challenging Muqaddar's plans and changing their lives forever. Number 14. Kizil Gonjalar. Kizil Gonjalar tells the poignant story of Miriam, who was forcefully married off at 14 and now battling bravely to prevent her daughter Zainab from suffering the same fate as the bride of the Sheikh's grandson. Guided by her sister-in-law, a former sect member, they realize they must flee to save Zainab from the sect's powerful clutches. Fearfully hiding her plans from her cruel husband, Miriam must first earn money as a carer in the home of secular psychiatrist Levent, who agrees to help her. Despite their clashing religious and progressive beliefs, Miriam and Levent are drawn together emotionally, but the turmoil in their lives deepens as the identity of his daughter is revealed. Kizil Gonjalar breaks ground with its sparking controversy but earning acclaim for its bold storytelling. Despite calls for cancellation, its meticulous crafting promises a timeless drama that resonates deeply with viewers, transcending sensationalism to evoke powerful emotions. Number 15. Senden Ones. This series is a Turkish remake of the Lebanese drama, Leyl Maut, revolves around Hakan Dagestan, the owner of a prominent construction company, grapples with a strained marriage to Merve, his wife of 6 months. Despite attempts to mend their relationship, Merve remains silent about the underlying issues. Desperate for resolution, Hakan tries one last conversation before a crucial business trip. However, Merve carries a secret that she cannot reveal under any circumstances. During Hakan's trip, he meets Sehra, sparking a forbidden affair. Complications arise when Merve unexpectedly appears at the hotel, discovering her husband's infidelity. Sehra and Merve share a history, having grown up together in an orphanage. A silent war ensues as Merve refuses to let go while Sehra targets Hakan's brother, Kan, disrupting family ties. Sehra's aim is to rekindle her relationship with Hakan, testing loyalties and hidden promises. Amid Sehra's manipulations, Merve struggles to maintain her love for Hakan. The series unfolds with gripping twists of love, betrayal, and the consequences of broken vows, setting the stage for a compelling narrative. So that was the video, friends. If you are interested in watching more Turkish series, then please click here.